How to install Virgin Media WiFi Pod. Installing a Virgin Media WiFi Pod is simple, but getting it right makes all the difference. Start by identifying the part of your home where your Wi-Fi signal feels weakest. Maybe it's a bedroom upstairs or a corner of your living room. Then look for a wall socket that's roughly halfway between that spot and your Virgin Media router. This helps the pod receive a strong enough signal to extend it further. Once you've found the ideal location, plug the pod into the socket, keeping it upright and away from large furniture, curtains, or any damp areas like bathrooms. The pod will automatically connect to your network. There's no extra setup needed, but it may take up to 24 hours to fully adjust and optimize its performance. During that time, you can open the Virgin Media Connect app to monitor how well it's working, check the signal strength, and make sure it's improving your coverage. If the results aren't perfect after a day, try moving it slightly closer to the router for a stronger and more stable connection.